If you do Taekwondo but don't know how to tie your belt, here's your chance to learn. I'm Master Dan Thomas from Unite Martial Arts Academy, been training for over 30 odd years, and it's my pleasure to show you. So you find the middle of the belt. The middle of the belt goes in your belly button. It wraps all the way around and it overlaps. So what you don't want is this to be something like this. It wants to be nice and neat, like so. Once it's wrapped all the way around, the top section comes up, bringing it all together nice and neat. Okay, so just tidy this up a little. The bottom section will come across. The one at the top will go over and straight through the loop you've just created. From here, you grab both sides of the belt and you don't pull upwards, but you pull sideways. Okay, that's the Taekwondo way. So from here, you have a double side showing the belt, and it's nice and neat. So that's how you guys tie your belt. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Dan Thomas from Unite Martial Arts Academy, and if you want to come and pay us a visit, you're very welcome to. Hope you enjoyed.